Okay, we have a little unboxing, unpackaging, if you will. Package number 1, my very first Halara package.
And sometimes Mommy goes to the front, in her front is a haircut front. See you later, bye.
Okay.
Yeah,
Anyways, I got the new Halara
yeah,
backless dress. I will do a try on probably tomorrow, maybe. Oh, this is a lot. Okay, so I did get a new white. Anyways, the little light thing will do. I did get the viral tanks. Super excited about these. Color 1, color 2, color 3. I love a hot pink. We love a hot pink. Color 4 and color 5. I'm pretty sure I only paid, like, I did not pay much for these 5 tanks at all. Maybe like $15. Like, they were not a lot of money at all. Got him the viral shorts. Color 1. Color 2. And color 3. This is like a green, and then a gray, and then a blue. Anyways, I paid like $10 for these 3 pair of shorts. He always wears his nice Columbia shorts to work and stuff, and when he could just wear these $10 shorts to work. This was also a mystery shirt that I ordered. Anyways, it was a mystery shirt. Didn't know what I was going to get. I wish I would have done an unpackaging. And then, of course, let me scooch it.
what's your lunch?
And then, of course, my BME jeans.
Oh.
And, of course, you can get this on my TikTok showcase as well. Everything is linked in my showcase if you would like any of it.
Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Thank you. Look at this.
Yeah, I tried for Mama.
Thank you, baby. All right, go put it up, okay?